Well, after writing the buffer statement by using any of these techniques, we move to the next paragraph, that is explanation. And the explanation has to be logical and neutral. Okay, in this particular paragraph, you are supposed to give reasons for a decision that you are making. Remember, we tell why you have reached your decision before you explain what the decision is. Whatever the decision you have made is supposed to come in paragraph 3, where we reveal the bad news. In paragraph 2, we are supposed to give reasons. We are supposed to set ground for breaking the bad news. So, for example, Askari Bank Limited gets tons of applications every now and then for recruitment. Now, this statement is talking about Askari Bank, that it is good enough to receive tons of applications for any post, okay, they might announce. Due to this, we have set a certain criteria for selecting right person for the right job. The maximum age to recruit a vice president is up to 50 years, and you have mentioned in your CV that you are 58 years of age, which does not match our criteria. Now, this, if you see, gives you a kind of a gap. What was your requirement and what the applicant possess. Okay, so you have to develop a reason for saying no. And when we come to this, when we are done with the reasons, we come to this revealing the bad news in the third paragraph. And you can use this simple technique, de-emphasizing the sentence by using complex or compound sentences. Okay, this is the easiest one that you can apply. For example, referring to the above, we're very sorry to inform you that you are not selected for the given designation as you do not meet the criteria. Now, you are using this structure in order to simply reveal the bad news in a very polite manner. You can use apologetic terms over here, but not in the buffer statement, and you are telling the bad news without being, very direct, too direct. Okay, so this is how you reveal the bad news, simple as that. No reason is mentioned because we mention all the reasons in paragraph 2, only the bad news is revealed in paragraph 3, and that's your paragraph 3, that's it. Okay, then we move to the next paragraph, the final paragraph of this, that is alternative and appropriate friendly clause. Remember, in direct letters we used to have appropriate friendly clause, but we did not have any alternative. But your bad news letter, any that you draft, will be incomplete if you do not have any alternative. What are alternatives? You are supposed to give a solution. Okay, so provide alternatives, and if there aren't any, create ones. So if the question doesn't mention any, you have to give from your own. But don't be unrealistic in providing alternatives. You can't tell them there is no job for you. You have to encourage people, okay, to apply in your organization for various posts. For example, however, Askari Bank Limited is about to announce post of president in the coming month. We encourage you to apply for that. Wish you best of luck. And so these statements, this alternative plus friendly clause, this makes these two sentences make your fourth paragraph. And this is all about the bad news letter paragraphs. Okay, and then let me take you to a sample, for example. Okay, and so you can see the salutation. Okay, and then you move to this first paragraph. Thank you for writing to us. Bata Shoes has always tried to give value to its customers. Okay, so if you see appreciation plus acknowledgement, both are making a buffer statement. And then Bata Shoes is renowned because of its zero compromise on quality and policies. Our policies are made to maintain high standards in market. The refund policy of our company says that the purchase item could be returned within a period of 10 days from the date of purchase in unspoiled condition. So you see they are mentioning policy, and whereas you contacted us well after a month. So there is a contradiction. Okay, and a gap, as I mentioned. In the light of above, we feel sorry to inform you that we are unable to refund your money. So in this way, you are supposed to reveal the bad news, and 30% discount is the alternative, and then friendly clause. That's simply the bad news letter. Good luck.